that a man will go to his bed, sleeping hoping to wake up with his both eyes and both hands and feet all strong, only to get to the next morning and the only thing you're hearing is that these people are being slaughtered by House of Fulani terrorists. It is quite appalling that the so-called administrative governors, the people who is meant to be the chief security officers, protecting the life of these very people, rather than protecting them, had asked and in fact that the people should start praying and they're shedding crocodile tears. And this leaves me with a strong question. Do we still have honor left in us as a people? It is a shame that our people are being slaughtered on a daily basis and no one is actually saying anything about it. And this is the reason why the likes of me and every other Biafrans have come up, and it is either Biafra or we must go in any form of referendum, be it referendum, be it any means, that Biafra must be restored. For national security to exist between the people of Biafra, we're asking that we have the right, the fundamental right, to defend, protect our people, like the likes of Nimbo, Ozuwan, because when they're done with Nimbo, Ozuwan, the next would be where? They probably head to Oka, and when they're done with Oka, they head to Oluk, and when they're done with Oluk, they head to Water. This has been the situation, continuous conquest, and this has been what these people spend on. So we're basically asking that we as the people of Vietnam stand up for our right. It is our fundamental right to be a free people. It is our right, our God-given right. It is inalienable right for us to be a free people. And we'll reject Nigeria at all costs. We'll reject the occupation. We'll reject Nigeria's political system. We'll reject everything. Alliance with Nigeria. What we are simply saying, we want to exercise our fundamental human right. And that right includes the right to state, right to national identity. And as indigenous people, we have every right to self-determination. That is exactly what we